It's important to remember that understanding someone's feelings and intentions can be complex, and relying solely on signs can be misleading. People express their emotions in various ways, and these signs might not always indicate romantic interest. Communication is key in any relationship, so it's essential to talk openly with the person involved to ensure clarity.
Welcome to the channel, your favorite grooming ideas. Please subscribe my channel and let back to the video.
However, here are 50 potential signs that a girl may be interested in you. Number 1. Frequent eye contact and prolonged gazes. Number 2. Smiling or laughing at your jokes, even if they're not that funny. Number 3. Initiating conversations or finding excuses to talk to you. Number 4. Engaging in physical contact, like light touches on your arm or shoulder. Number 5. Playing with her hair or fidgeting when around you. Number 6. Mirroring your body language and gestures. Number 7. Asking personal questions to get to know you better. Number 8. Finding reasons to be near you or choosing to sit/stand close to you. Number 9. Remembering and mentioning details about your previous conversations. Number 10. Sharing personal stories or experiences to create a deeper connection. Number 11. Liking or commenting on your social media posts regularly. Number 12. Texting or messaging you frequently, even without a specific reason. Number 13. Using emojis, playful language, or teasing in messages. Number 14. Trying to make plans or inviting you to events together. Number 15. Making an effort to look nice when she knows she'll see you. Number 16. Complimenting your appearance or personality. Number 17. Defending or supporting you in front of others. Number 18. Showing interest in your hobbies, interests, and passions. Number 19. Making an effort to remember important dates or events in your life. Number 20. Laughing at your jokes, even if they aren't particularly funny. Number 21. Sharing her dreams and aspirations with you. Number 22. Being genuinely interested in your opinions and ideas. Number 23. Being concerned about your well-being and checking up on you. Number 24. Trying to impress you with her talents or accomplishments. Number 25. Getting slightly nervous or blushing when you're around. Number 26. Noticing small changes in your appearance or behavior. Number 27. Offering help or assistance when you need it. Number 28. Creating opportunities for one-on-one time together. Number 29. Demonstrating jealousy or protectiveness when other girls are around you. Number 30. Introducing you to her friends and family. Number 31. Being open to trying new activities or experiences with you. Number 32. Remembering and celebrating important milestones in your life. Number 33. Making an effort to be supportive during tough times. Number 34. Sending flirty or affectionate messages or emojis. Number 35. Seeking your opinion before making important decisions. Number 36. Trying to impress you with her knowledge or skills. Number 37. Being receptive to your humor, even if it's silly or corny. Number 38. Seeking opportunities to spend time with you alone. Number 39. Making an effort to stay in touch when you're apart. Number 40. Paying attention to the little details about you. Number 41. Expressing admiration for your achievements or talents. Number 42. Offering you her coat or scarf when it's cold outside. Number 43. Expressing excitement or happiness when you're around. Number 44. Displaying open body language when talking to you. Number 45. Responding quickly to your messages or calls. Number 46. Sending you good morning or good night messages regularly. Number 47. Remembering your favorite things, such as food, movies, or books. Number 48. Being comfortable discussing personal topics with you. Number 49. Initiating physical contact, like hugging or holding hands. Number 50. Making an effort to support your interests or goals. Remember that these signs can be subjective, and the best way to know for sure if someone likes you is to communicate openly and honestly with them about your feelings and intentions. Respect their boundaries and feelings and be prepared to accept their response, whatever it may be.